Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that we have the integration of e to the power of s from 0 to number 2. And we need to know that we have y equals to e to the power of s if we put about natural log for the both sides. So in this one, we have s, f, and e because we have the formula in here. So capital B will go outside of our natural law in here. So that means S will go in here. And that's why we have this one. F and E, that is about number 1. So you got about S. So the integration of F and Y, that is about this one in here. From number 1 to e to the power of 2. Here is about number 1 to e to the power of 2 in here. So if we look carefully about this one, that is about the area of this one. And the next one, the integration of location in here, that is about the area of this one. So if we sum two areas, that is about the rectangle. So we know that the purpose of integration, that is about area under the curve. So if we sum two areas, we can find the area of the rectangle. So that means we just multiply by the length and the width. The length, that's if from 0 to e to the power of 2. The width, that's if from 0 to number 2. And we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.